Hello, in today's Skypress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a web portal. Are you ready? Let's get started. Log into your Skypress account. Go to Template and choose a portal template. We currently have two portal templates available, Portal and Portal 2. Select the best template that meets your needs. You can always change or update your template later if you wish. Now select your template and click Save at the top. In order to view your portal template, you must publish your portal. To publish your template, scroll down to Application Settings and click Settings across from Portal. Under Portal Settings you will see your Admin tab. This tab will display your members that are signed up for PPC advertising. Now click on your widgets. Here you can edit your site's widgets. Forums and chat link is optional. Here you can enter a link to your forums or chat site. Favorites links is optional. Add up to 4 favorite links. These links appear in the middle of your home page. RSS feeds is optional. Add up to 3 RSS feeds links. RSS feeds display allows you to hide or show RSS feeds. Vote poll is optional. Enter a poll question for your visitors. Reset poll stats will set your poll vote counts back to 0. Now your portal's body consists of 3 sections: left, center, and right. You can click on each tab to add your widgets. Left widgets will appear on left side of your home page. Center widgets will appear in the middle of the home page. Right widgets will appear on the right side of the home page. Add 1 widget per line. Add your widget title followed by a vertical line in your widget's code. Please be mindful not to add too many widgets, as too many widgets can slow your site down. Also make sure you click the Save Widgets button for each widget tab after you have added all of your widgets. After you have added your widgets, and again these widgets are optional, click Save and Publish. Now click Back. Click My Site at the top to view your site. Your portal should appear. Now go back to your dashboard. If you wish to add this template as a secondary template, go to Application Settings and select Show to add this template to your site's menu. Then click Save at the top. Now let's create a demo account to see how the PPC system works. Go back to your site, click Join Now to create an account. Make sure you check I'm not a robot before filling out the sign-up form. Please complete all the entries listed. Name, email, city must be 3 characters or more, state must be 2 characters or more, country must be 3 characters or more, zip must be 5 characters or more, and both passwords must match. Once you're done, click Sign Me Up. Then you will see a pop-up that says Account Created. Now that your account is created, click Advertise for Advertisers Login. Enter your login details, then click Login. Once you have logged in, you will see 3 campaigns. Let's create an ad under Campaign 1. Enter your ad URL and description. Then enter your keywords and bid amount. The PPC dashboard gives your visitor the option to add funds to their account when they click on Account Balance. They can also click support at the bottom to sign you a direct email, and they have the option to delete their account. Note, your PPC customers will not be able to delete their account if they have an account balance. This allows clients to cash in on their current balance before deleting their account. Click Save to save your ads. Now let's go back to your dashboard. Scroll down to Application Settings, click Settings across from Portal. You can now see your user's account. You can update your user's balance as well. Once you enter a new balance, click Update to save the balance. To approve your user's ads, click on their username. You will be taken to your user's account. You can see their balance updates at the top. View your user ads, then click Save to approve their ads. Now refresh your home page. You will see your PPC user ads. Try clicking on the ad to see if the ad works. Now check your user's account. You can see the balance was updated after the click. Now I'm going to show you how to add PPC sign-up to any template, even if you're not using a portal template, and how to add your PPC ads to other sites as well. Let's get started. Go back to your dashboard and scroll down to Application Settings. Under Application Settings, scroll till you see Advertisers. Click on Advertisers. You will see a list of ads and the code for them. You can choose to have up to 4 ads in a row. When selecting your ads code, choose either HTTP or HTTPS based on your domain settings. Now let's test the ads code to make sure they work. We have a blank HTML file on our desktop, and we will paste the HTML codes in the file and save it. If you have Skypress in a directory, you must include it in the link. Now let's load the web page. You can see the ads are displayed. Using these codes, you can add your PPC ads to any web page. Let's go back to our dashboard. Under Application Settings, select Show Beside Advertisers. This will allow visitors to sign up and advertise on your site. Even if you aren't using a portal template, your visitors can still sign up for PPC Advertisers account. To test this option, go to Templates and select Blog Template. Now click Save at the top and refresh your home page. Your blog should appear. Now click on your blog. Your PPC ad should appear under it. Click on your site's menu. You will see advertisers log in and sign up. Now let's set up your search engine settings for your portal. Go back to your dashboard, scroll down to Application Settings and click Settings across from Search. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to set up your search engine. That's all for this tutorial on Skypress. Thanks for watching.
Brought to you by the Power Script.